Vice Chancellor Jangka North Eastern Hill University Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla habiskan bigla patai khobor mata kasngi ka khatandai tarik unai tung araja pulai hachilang press club ulang baka university kan pyntreikam no ya baro ke college ke ba affiliate edik pa penyaso bat kan NEHU ya kan national education policy jo usam araja arpau kadau ban pyntreikam yo ke policy kalong bagi samla puli jeng kathan ki de ban nak banyak khon ne banyak compete bat kui pat ke samla puli jongkari India.
1973, NEHU along with the teachers are working with the objective how to rise up and build the society of the Northeast. I think how many are present in the meeting conducted by the state government? I don't know. Education Minister is already there and CM is also there. We already discussed each and every point. First year, there is no any other infrastructure is required for implementation of new education policy. And everything already has been circulated to all the principals. He already mentioned, we already circulated a letter to all the principals. Even given the chance, if you have any problem, write a letter to the me. If we have this problem. Definitely, if I will be in position to conduct the training and other programs for the colleges, even though if I am not able to solve their problem, I am ready to give him a chance for 1 year. So all the type of facilities is already available for implementation of new education policy in the colleges. But what is our objective? Our objective of the colleges, our objective of the university to save the better future of our young generation. And all the principals are agree with this. We are doing our job. And university is taking the initiative now. Earlier I don't know how many vice chancellor have taken such kind of decision. But after my joining, I am taking decision. Even I am doing the rigorous effort for the betterment and of the student, better quality of the student, better even academic environment of the student, and also not only the environment, also the employment of the student. That's why today I am in position to say that I have more than 5,000 positions for the student or young generation of the Meghalaya. On the first week I had to conduct the interview, and this is the best and good benefit for the young generation of the Meghalaya. Even it's a choice of the student. And same thing is also available in the new education policy. First year, if students are not in position to complete their degree, he or she can drop out and can take part in the interview. Serve 2 to 3 years in the industry and again join the classes in second year. Second year, after completion of the second year, they must receive the diploma. And third year, the degree. The new education policy is totally framed on the basis of choice of the young generation. They are ready or they are ready. If they are not ready, they have the chance to exit.
Programs. Let me bring one more thing here. See, most of the central universities in the country have already started 4-year undergraduate programs. So it will be difficult for our students to to compete with the 4-year compete with the students from the rest of the country because when they go and compete for higher studies, say for masters or postgraduates or PhDs, they will find it difficult to compete with those students. So that's why it's very, very necessary that we train our students, we prepare our students to compete with the students with the rest of the country. Therefore, also keeping in mind that some of the colleges may not be ready as yet, so therefore we have given this time frame that provided that they give proper justification.
Then I think I am able to solve their problem.
Sir, so how many colleges are willing to implement the NEP and how many are not willing?
We can't give you the exact number right now because this communication has been made just.
We are waiting the reply.
We made this communication on on the 12th of July. So we are waiting for the responses from the colleges, and as and when they respond to the letters, then we will take the appropriate measures.